Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. A few months ago, I hauled the Holtz alarm clock that you can alter. And yesterday, Christmas Eve, I got the opportunity to play around with mine. And I am so happy with it, you guys. I ended up spray painting it, that mint that I use for my memory decks. And look, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen it. But it is so cute. Let me see if I can put it this way and then kind of like zoom in so you guys can get a better view. So I ended up spray painting it. I added inside, the back paper is Snow and Cocoa with the little trees. The little trees are also from the Snow and Cocoa collection. And this was in my ephemera. I propped it up on some foam dots. The fake snow is actually pillow stuffing, you guys. And I think it looks super cute. I just hot glued it down, as well as the trees. There's a little gingerbread guy like up against the wall. You see him? He's back there. Super cute. I used this trim that I found in my stash and just placed it around. And I love that it has like that scalloped edge. You guys see that? Doesn't it look super cool? And then I was sent this bow in some Happy Mail. And I just wanted to use it for here. So I cut a little bit of the tail, and then I added one of my little gold little balls right here that I love. I put it in the center because I thought it just gave it a cute little touch. I added some pom-poms to the top. And yeah, you guys, that is my super cute little altered clock. I love this so much. I hope I find another one because I do want to make one for Valentine's Day. I kind of want to have one for Valentine's, for Halloween, but I only found one that day. So this is my little Christmas one. And hopefully I find another one. I'm going to try to look online and maybe I can order it. But yeah, you guys, let me know down below what you think. I think it turned out super cute. I have it on my desk at the moment because I think it's so pretty and I like to look at it. And there are like little shaker bits inside. I don't know if you can see, but I have these little gold balls, the small ones, inside. So it does kind of like, you see that? They're right there. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share for today. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.